Hello students, my name is Ingre VB. I teach mathematics paper 1 and paper 2. Now in this video we see the chapter number 2, real number of maths paper number 1 of 9th class. In previous class we already see the natural number, whole number, integer and real number. Now here we also repeat these now in the form of set. Now set of natural number, set of natural number is denoted by capital N and written as curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, dash 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 curly bracket close. Now here the set of natural number is denoted by N and the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Here the natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. काउंटिंग नंबर्स. या ठिकाणी आपण नॅचरल संख्या म्हणजे नैसर्गिक संख्येचा संच पाहतो. नैसर्गिक संख्येचा संच n या अक्षराने दर्शवतात आणि ते महिरपी कंसामध्ये 1, 2, 3, 4 टिंब कर्ली ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे महिरपी कंस बंद या पद्धतीने दर्शवतात. नैसर्गिक संख्येलाच काउंटिंग नंबर म्हणजे मोज संख्या असेही म्हणतात, कारण पूर्वीच्या काळामध्ये पूर्वीची जी माणसं होती ती संख्या वस्तू त्यांची जनावरं मोजण्यासाठी 1, 2, 3, 4 या अंकाचा उपयोग करत होती, म्हणून त्यांना काउंटिंग नंबर असंही म्हटलं जातं. आता वेन वी ऑब्झर्व द सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर we see that the difference between any two consecutive number is 1, that is 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. that म्हणजे या ठिकाणी असं सांगायचं आहे की कोणत्याही नैसर्गिक संख्येमध्ये लगतच्या कोणत्याही दोन संख्येतील फरक हा 1चा असतो, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. 1 असतो. आता नैसर्गिक संख्या आपण पाहिल्या, नैसर्गिक संख्येमध्ये जर पाहिलं आपण कोणत्याही दोन नैसर्गिक संख्येची बेरीज केली तर आपल्याला 5 ही नैसर्गिक संख्या मिळते. म्हणजे व्हेन वी ॲड एनी नॅचरल नंबर then we get natural number. When we multiply any two natural numbers we get 18 is also a natural number. जेव्हा आपण कोणत्याही दोन नैसर्गिक संख्येचा गुणाकार करतो तेव्हा नैसर्गिक संख्याच मिळते. कोणत्याही दोन नैसर्गिक संख्येची बेरीज केली तर नैसर्गिक संख्याच मिळते. मोठ्या नैसर्गिक संख्येमधून जर लहान नैसर्गिक संख्या वजा केली आपण, when we subtract a smaller natural number from bigger one then we get 1. 1 is also a natural number. That means when we add any two natural number we get natural number. When we multiply any two natural number we get natural number. When we subtract a smaller natural number from the bigger one we get a number. That number is also a natural number. When we subtract the number from itself, that means when we subtract 3 minus 3 we get a number. That number is not a natural number. So the number system is again extended. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेस आपण एखाद्या नैसर्गिक संख्येमधून 30 नैसर्गिक संख्या जेव्हा वजा करतो तेव्हा मिळणारी जी संख्या आहे ती नैसर्गिक संख्या मिळेल का? नाहीये. कारण काय, इथं जी संख्या येईल ती नैसर्गिक संख्येच्या संचामध्ये असणार नाहीये. म्हणून परत काय केलं, संख्या प्रणालीचा विस्तार केला. दॅट मीन्स द नंबर सिस्टीम इज अगेन एक्सटेंड अँड वी गेट द सेट of whole numbers and it is denoted by capital W curly bracket. आता which numbers are said to be the whole numbers when we add 0 in natural number. that means 0 1 2 3 4 dash 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 curly bracket close. This set is known as the set of whole number. 1 2 3 4 dash dash are natural numbers. When we add 0 in the set of natural number, we get whole number. Whole number is denoted by capital W. Now here the smallest whole number is 0 and the bigger smaller number we can't say. Here also in natural number the smaller natural number is 1, bigger we can't say. Now here we observe the set of whole number. Here also the difference between any two consecutive number is also 1. That is 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. म्हणजे पूर्ण संख्येच्या संचामध्ये कोणत्याही दोन लगतच्या संख्येमधील फरक हा 1 चा असतो. आता एवढं पाहिल्यानंतर आपल्याला परत द सम ऑफ एनी टू होल नंबर इज ऑल्सो अ होल नंबर. 0 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 5. कोणत्याही दोन पूर्ण संख्येची बेरीज ही पूर्ण संख्याच असते. नाव मल्टिप्लिकेशन 3 multiplied by 2. Here 3 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number. Now when we multiply these two whole number, we get 6. 6 is also a whole number. That means the product of two whole number is also a whole number. Now subtraction. 3 minus 4, 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 3. 3 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number. When 3 minus 3 we get 0. That means here the when a whole number is subtracted from itself, then we get 0. 0 is also a whole number. Now 4 minus 3. What about this? जेव्हा आपण sorry 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. 3 is a whole number, 4 is a whole number. When we take the subtraction of these two numbers, then we get a number. We get a number, but that number is not a whole number. जेव्हा आपण लहान संख्येमधून लहान पूर्ण संख्येमधून मोठी पूर्ण संख्या वजा करतो तेव्हा येणाऱ्या जी वजाबाकी आहे ती पूर्ण संख्या नाही आहे. सो द नंबर सिस्टीम इज अगेन एक्सटेंड अँड वी गेट द set of integers. Set of integers is denoted by I or Z. Set of integer is denoted by I or Z. Now here the set of integer is in this way. We have to write dash 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 comma minus 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dash 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 curly bracket close. This set is known as set of integer. Set of integer is denoted by I or Z. In state board we use the letter I, but in other syllabus use the letter Z. आता what is mean by here Z? Z is a German word. Z is a German word आणि Z means xylem. Z means Z-E-L-E-N, xylem. आता what is mean by xylem? Xylem means to count. To count. Z is a German word. Its meaning is xylem. Xylem means to count, म्हणजे मोजमाप करायचं. Use this in other syllabus. Here in state board we have to use only I. For your extra information we use here Z. Now this is the dash 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dash 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 curly bracket close. This is the set of integer. Now here this is a 1, 2, 3 are natural numbers, and -1, -2, -3 dash 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 are the opposite of natural numbers or additive inverse of natural numbers. आता what is mean by opposite? We next this opposite or multiplicative inverse in next video. Now remember this here. 1, 2, 3 dash dash are natural number. -1, -2, -3 opposite of natural number and 0. That means natural numbers. आता what is mean by, what is the definition of integer? Natural number 0 and opposite of natural number, the set of natural number 0 and the set of opposite of natural number together known as a integer, together known as integer. Now here when we take sum, subtraction, division, we see here add any two integers, 2 plus -2 is equal to the sum of two integers. 2 is integer, -2 is also integer, then the sum is 0. 0 is also a integer. That means the sum of any two integer also is an integer. Now product -3 multiplied by -2 is equal to the sum of product of two integers. -3 is an integer, -2 is also an integer. Then we take the product of these two integer, we get minus become plus. We can't write this plus. 3s are 2, 6. 6 is also a integer. Now we have to take the subtraction. -5 minus -2 -3 is equal to -5 is an integer, -5 is integer, -3 is also integer. Now we have to take the subtraction of these two integer. Now first we have to solve this. -5 minus become plus 3 is equal to, now -5 and this is a plus, take the difference between them, difference is 2 and bigger number is 5, have minus sign, put here the minus sign. Now see here, -5 -3 are the two integer. When we take its subtraction, we get -2. -2 is also a integer. Now we have to take the division. -10 divided by 2. -10 is a integer, 2 -10 integer, 2 also integer. When we divide -10 by 2, we get -5. -5 is also a integer. That means when we add any two integer, we get integer. When we subtract any two integer, we get integer. When we multiply any two integers, we get also a integer. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण कोणत्याही दोन पूर्णांक संख्येची बेरीज करतो आपल्याला पूर्णांक संख्या मिळते. कोणत्याही दोन पूर्णांक संख्येची वजाबाकी करतो तेव्हा आपल्याला पूर्णांक संख्याच मिळते. कोणत्याही दोन पूर्णांक संख्येचा जेव्हा आपण गुणाकार करतो तेव्हा आपल्याला पूर्णांक संख्या मिळते. परंतु जेव्हा आपण कोणत्याही एखाद्या पूर्णांकाला मोठ्या पूर्णांकाला दुसऱ्या पूर्णांकाने जेव्हा भागतो पूर्णांक मिळते. परंतु when we divide -10 by 3, we get an integer? No, we can't get a integer. We can't get integer. Now so the number system again extend. म्हणून अशासारखे भागाकार करण्यासाठी असे भागाकार आपल्याला करता येत नाहीत इंटीजरचा उपयोग करून. म्हणून संख्या प्रणालीचा परत विस्तार केला and we get a set of rational number, set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by q, denoted by q. Now how to write the set of rational numbers? See later. First we have to see here set of natural number. Capital N, so N. Whole number W, so W. Integer I. But when we write the set of rational number, it is denoted by capital Q. Why? We have to take R but not taken Q, because here rational numbers come from the word ratio. The rational number, the rational words come from the ratio, and Q is quiescent. Q is a quiescent. Q is known as quiescent. So here now फॉर म्हणजे रॅशनल परिमेय संख्येसाठी क्यू वापरतात. याचं कारण काय, तर नैसर्गिक संख्येसाठी एन वापरलं, होल डब्ल्यू साठी डब्ल्यू घेतलं, इंटेजरसाठी आय घेतलंय, पण रॅशनल नंबर आर घेण्याऐवजी क्यू घेतलं. याचं कारण होतं परिमेय संख्या हे गुणोत्तरामध्ये असतात आणि क्यू जो आहे, क्यू म्हणजे क्वेसेंट म्हणजे भागाकार या रूपात असतं, म्हणून रॅशनल परिमेय संख्येसाठी क्यू हे लेटर वापरलं जातं. नाव हियर हाऊ टू राईट द सेट ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर. P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to integers but Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. This is definition of rational number. A set of all P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to integer but Q is not equal to 0. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी कोणत्याही ज्या संख्या असतात, सर्व संख्या ते P by Q रूपामध्ये असतात, म्हणून दिस इज अ रॅशनल नंबर, वो सेट आहे. नाव हियर we see more information about rational number. Here natural number, whole number, integer are also a rational number. म्हणजे प्रत्येक नैसर्गिक संख्या, प्रत्येक पूर्ण संख्या, प्रत्येक पूर्णांक संख्या ही परिमेय संख्या असते. आता मुलांना प्रश्न पडला असेल, परिमेय संख्या म्हणजे त्याचं कुठली जी संख्या P by Q या रूपामध्ये असेल, जी संख्या P by Q या रूपामध्ये असेल ती संख्या म्हणजेच परिमेय संख्या असते. परंतु या ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलं नॅचरल नंबरमध्ये 1 2 3 4 हे फक्त ए आहेत. इथं पाहिलं 0 1 2 3 नॉट इन P by Q. इंटीजर पाहिलं -3 -3 -2 1 -1 0 1 2 3 टिंब हे P by Q रूपामध्ये नाहीत. मग परंतु आपल्याला या सर्व वरील संख्या, नैसर्गिक संख्या, पूर्ण संख्या, पूर्णांक संख्या हे P by Q रूपामध्ये मांडता येतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी टेक एनी नॅचरल नंबर 3 इज अ नॅचरल नंबर. We have to convert this natural number into rational number. So we can write this number 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Now we have to find its equivalents. 3 by 1. So multiply numerators and denominator by any integer. 2 1 into 2. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So when we multiply numerator and denominator by, the value of 3 does not changes. So we get 6 by 2. Now we convert the natural number 3 in P by Q form. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means also a 3. That means every natural number we can convert into P by Q form. Now we have to take a whole number. 0. 0 is a whole number. Now 0 by 1. We can write 0 in this way, 0 by 1. When we multiply numerator and denominator by any integer, 0 into -3, 1 into -3. When we multiply numerator and denominator -3, numerator and denominator -3, we get the value is 0 by -3. 0 by -3 is also 0 and 0 by 3 is in the form p by q. So every whole number we can convert into a rational number. Now we have to take any integer, -2. -2 is an integer, therefore -2 by 1, we can write -2 in the form -2 by 1. Now multiply numerator as well as denominator by any integer. -2 into -3 by -2 into -3. जेव्हा तुम्ही अंश आणि छेदाला गुणताय त्या एकाच संख्ये कुठल्या तरी एकाच पूर्णांक संख्येने गुणायचं आहे, भिन्न गुणायचं नाही आहे. -3 we get minus plus 2 3 6 minus plus 1 into 3 3. We get the number 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is also -2. -3 minus plus minus 1 3 -3. Therefore this can written -6 by 3. So -6 by 3 is also -2. So this integer -2 we have to convert into the p by q form, -6 by 3. That means every natural number, every whole number, every integer is also a rational number. We can write every natural number, every whole number and integer in the p by q form. Now the set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers is denoted by capital R. Now in this chapter we see the set of real number. Now here we see that all the numbers in natural numbers are in whole numbers. 1 2 3 4 dash 1 2 3 4 dash. Using the set form, natural number is a subset of whole number. That means natural number is a subset of W. Now all the numbers in whole numbers are lies in the integers. So whole number is a subset of integer. And we can convert natural number, whole number, integer in rational numbers. Means natural number, whole number, integers are the subset of rational number. The subset of R Q. बस चला.